So, we have done the measurement of the large distances and small distances also here. So, now we are going to do measurement of the molecular sizes, it means very small distances around 10 raised power minus 9 meter. So, now see here the size of the molecule of oleic acid we are going to measure, because oleic acid has got comparatively larger size. For that what we do, first we take here 1 cc of oleic acid and which is mixed with the 1 cc of oleic acid is mixed with 20 cc of alcohol and solution is prepared. Now, you take 1 cc of this solution. So, 1 cc of solution is mixed with 20 cc of alcohol. So, now the new solution which you will get, it has got the concentration of oleic acid is 1 upon 20 into 20, that is 1 upon 400. So, concentration now, concentration of oleic acid is 1 upon 20 into 20. Now, finally, you have got the solution which has got the concentration of oleic acid this 20 into 20. Now, you take n drops of this solution, each having volume V, and poured on the water surface. So, when n drops of this solution each having volume V is poured on the water solution, and this oleic acid spreads very fast and makes a thin layer. And after that, whatever the thin layer is formed, you take the trace paper or the graph paper, measure the area of this layer formed, and by this way you can get the volume of the layer formed. So, suppose the thickness T is of the layer and area measured by the graph or the trace paper is A. So, you can write here A into T, this is the volume of the oleic acid layer formed on the water surface, is equal to NV upon this is 20 into 20. That is the volume of oleic acid of the n drops of the solution. So, now from here easily we can calculate NV upon 20 into 20 into area. By this method we can calculate the size, that is the thickness of the oleic acid molecule. So, now we are going to do measurement of mass and time. You know, mass is the basic property of the matter, that is a quantity of matter contained in the body which does not change with the physical conditions like the temperature, pressure and with the location. So, see here the mass can be measured, you know, every day you use this method, you can measure it by using the physical balances and also you can measure by using the spring balances, we can get it. So, that is a gravitational mass also. So, inertial mass and gravitational mass which can be measured by the different methods. Similarly, for the time we are using the clocks. There are so many types of clocks these days like a digital clocks and any the like a cesium clock for measuring the atomic time. So, that we can measure the time by using the different types of the clocks. So, there is no much mathematical part and no much nothing has to be done in detail here, just you have to do the different types of the measurement.